To simplify radical expressions, we apply product rule for radicals. Remember, simplified square root of radical expressions contain no factors that are perfect squares under the radical sign. Square root of 12. First, let us factor 12. Make sure to have a greatest square factor of it. So let's find. So we have 3 times 4 and 2 times 6. These are the possible factors. But take note, is 2 and 6 perfect square? No. So we scrap this. So our choice is just 3 times 4. So we put that into a radical sign. And then we simplify the perfect square 4. What is the square root of 4? Okay, so that would be 2. And since square root of 3 is not a perfect square, it stays inside the radical sign. So this is our answer. Square root of 50. So the factors of 50 with perfect square is 25. So we have 25 times 2. And then we get the square root of 25. The answer is 5. So we put it outside, 5. And then the number that is not perfect square stays inside. This is now the answer. Square root of 72. So again, let's think of factors of 72 with a perfect square. So that can be, yes, 36 times 2. And the square root of 36 goes outside. That's 6. And 2 stays inside. This is now our answer. Let's have the one with variable. The square root of 45, a squared b cubed. First, we factor out 45. The factors 9 times 5. And next, let's have a perfect square that divides a square. So, still a square. And b, we can write that as b squared times b, because b squared times b is equal to b cubed. So this is now the factored form of our given. Now, if the exponent is the same with the index, the variable and the number goes out, the radical sign. So the square root of 9 is 3. The square root of a, okay, is a. The square root of b is b. And then what will stay inside? Okay, we have the 5 and the b. Again, simply factor the variables with the exponents. The square root of 27 x cubed y to the 4th. Okay, first, we factor 27. So that would be 9 times 3. And then x is x squared and x. And the y4 y raised to 4 is as is because it is divisible by 2. Now let's simplify. The square root of 9 is 3. We take out x squared. And how many 2 in y to the 4th? There are 2. And then what's inside? We have the 3 and the x. This is our final answer.